Welcome to Backyard X-Scapes. We're the leading provider of bamboo, thatch, and tropical decor in the United States. We are proud to provide the highest quality green materials at competitive prices for both home and commercial use. In this video, we will talk about our tambour rolled bamboo paneling. We will show you how easy this paneling is to install and a variety of colored options. Bamboo paneling is a very popular product and is often used as a wainscoting or covering for ceilings, walls, cabinets, doors, and of course, tiki bars. Please note that we do not recommend this product for exterior use. Our bamboo paneling measures 4 feet in height and 8 feet in length. The bamboo strips have been precisely milled to 11/16 inch width and are attached to a thin meshed fabric, enabling it to be installed on any solid surface area. You can use glue, staples, or nails to hold the paneling in place. Here is a list of tools you will need to install bamboo paneling: staple gun, scissor, measuring tape, razor knife, and marker. You can easily cut the bamboo paneling to a length less than 8 feet by rolling up the roll of bamboo paneling tightly and cutting with a fine-tooth blade installed on table saw. The width of the paneling can easily be cut using a sharp razor. After measuring and cutting paneling, align on your desired surface. Lay the paneling flat to the surface and then staple at multiple places, and consider applying a glue for added adhesion. You can also use additional bamboo slats or split bamboo poles to add accent to your bamboo paneling. Simply cut the slats or pole to the measured length and attach along the border with a nail gun or finishing nails. And just like that, your wall, door, or tiki bar has a unique design that will enhance any backyard or tropical decor area. We hope you enjoyed this brief installation video. Check out our website at www.backyardxscapes.com to see our full line of products or to view other videos and helpful installation tips. We offer the largest inventory of bamboo fencing, poles, paneling, borders, and slats, along with thatch roofing, matting materials, and tropical decor products that will instantly add a tropical feel to any area. Our knowledgeable and friendly staff are here to assist you with all of your bamboo, thatch, and tropical decor needs. Good luck on your project.